So, this is a major factor. At ito po, ang hatid nito, syempre, higher
Providing practical financial tips.
Educating people about life insurance.
Simple steps to wealth creation, one video at a time.
Giving knowledge about health insurance.
Breaking down myths and misconceptions about personal finance.
Recommending the best options for investing.
Expanding the knowledge of must-haves about mutual fund opening.
Giving money tips for millennials and Gen Z.
We'd like to thank you, our over 111,000 subscribers. We never really thought that this channel is gonna grow this way. Alam nyo, nung inumpisahan namin to, nag-activate kami nung mid-2020. Gusto lang namin magkaroon ng paraan para makausap at makasama kayo during the pandemic. Little did we know na hindi lang lalaki ang platform na ito, magiging napakalaking community pa. Kaya nga tinawag na namin kayong Ka-RFF or Rampver Financial Friends. Kami po ay nagpapasalamat at taus-pusong bumabati sa inyong lahat as we get this recognition because this is not about us, it's actually about you. We are really grateful for your support and engagement. Alam niyo po, yung binibigay niyo sa aming mabibigat na insightful comments, nagiging gabay namin sa paggawa ng tamang content para sa inyong lahat. Alam niyo, ang isang bagay na aming magiging commitment ay makakasama niyo kami sa inyong financial journey. We're going to be here to handhold you, to educate and share life with you as we all move forward to the fulfillment of our financial dreams. You can look forward to a lot more things from us. We're going to be providing new approaches and strategies at pipilitin po namin to combine the old and the new. Alam nyo naman, napakaraming investment instruments noon at marami ding bago ngayon. As Rampver Financials, we're going to try and take this whole breath and discuss them with you. Kaya po iniimbitahan namin ang mga ibang key opinion leaders dyan, ang product providers. If you want to collaborate with us, we will welcome you. We'd like to be part of this revolution to make Filipinos financially literate. Alam nyo naman, we cannot have a prosperous nation without prosperous individuals and families. Pero, syempre, sa pag-collaborate natin at pag-infuse natin ng old and new, nandun pa rin tayo sa fundamental discussion ng asset allocation. Because ang totoo, every one of us need different, unique approaches. Talaga pong different strokes, different folks. And with that, ang maaasahan nyo sa amin ay simplification, no complications. So makakaasa po kayo, nagagabayan namin kayo, will be holding your hand in this financial journey moving forward. Again, kami po sa Rampver Financials, kami po ay magiging kaisa ninyong lahat at we are also looking forward to this long journey with all of you. Thank you very much.
pa. At ito po, hatid nito, share